The Chief Judge of Niger State, Justice Halima Abdulmalik, has insisted that the Nigerian Army must stop the perimeter fencing of a disputed area in Sauka Kahuta community in Niger State to purge itself of contempt of court. The Chief Judge gave the ruling in a suit filed against the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Faruk Yahaya, and the TRADOC commander, Bami, has the story.
In October 2019, after the army violated a restraining order by building a perimeter fence and encircling a disputed area in Sauka Kahuta community, it had resulted in the presiding judge issuing a warrant of arrest on the Chief of Army Staff and the TRADOC commander on the 20th of November for contempt. She said the order followed the hearing of the motion on notice brought before the court. The army chief and the TRADOC commander failed to make an appearance in court. Those whose lands were affected are majorly farmers and traders. They are worried that the closure of the area has intensified the activities of illegal miners who are causing major damage to the soil. The perimeter fencing has also made the area inaccessible to farmers who want to harvest their crops.
That they should tell us the truth if the land belongs to soldier, and if they know the land does not belong to soldier, they should do the needful. I think that was what resulted to going or coming to the court. And we thank God that we still have faith that there's still atom of justice in Nigeria with what we are seeing.
We have business people there who are farming, like fishery, poultry. In fact, some of us have lost their houses because there were no longer exit for the occupants who are living there to locate their houses.
Today, some of them were crying, some of them were asked to leave the place. And they had no choice because these people are armed with guns. And you can see a defenseless civilians, what they have. And so the only option is to come to court. And we thought the army, of course, they have to respect the law. The Chief of Army Staff was promoted based on the law of this country. So he must respect the law.
The counsel to the 6th and 7th defendant, P.A. Garuba, insists that the Nigerian army has begun demolition of some parts of the fence and will do more to grant the plaintiffs access to their houses and farmlands. The case was adjourned to the 16th of January 2023.
The people say before the final ruling is given that they want access to their farmlands and their houses, which has currently been fenced by the military. Bami, TVC News, Mina.